I'm Natasha from Home Cooking by Natasha. Beautifully well cooked fish called malu Ambul Thiyal. This is very popular dish in our country and this one so super easy to make. Let's get started. First we need to arrange the ingredients. We need some garlic ginger, goraka, black pepper powder, salt, turmeric, cloves and cinnamon. In here, make sure to not to use dry goraka. Remember that the goraka should be taken after soaking in hot water for few minutes. We need to wash the fish properly using lime juice and salt. Do not damage the fish. Drain water well. Next, grind all the ingredients well except cinnamon and cloves. And add water accordingly if you need to make it a paste. This is the kind of a paste we want. It needs to be thick like this. Then we have in the thick paste, we mix all the paste with the fish. Make sure all the fish pieces coats with the paste. Cover with the plastic wrap and leave in a dry place for 2 hours to get a better taste. Take the clay pot and the bottom with banana leaves and curry leaves. Add some pandan leaves to make the smell good. Place the fish pieces one by one into the clay pot. some cinnamon and cloves to the top. Set the pot on low heat. Set it to low heat and shake the pot to prevent burning at the bottom. Simmer it until the gravy is disappear and pieces are quite well dried. Looks yummy, right? Yes, it is. This has a good taste as well as a good smell. You must try this at home. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this recipe, give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.